Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we're doing a pantry meal. We are going to use our beef tips that we did and make stroganoff. So we just open that up, has mushrooms and onion in it, and then you can use your sour cream powder. We have our noodles and I have water going. I'll probably have to grab some more noodles. So we're going to get this going. Get that heated up. We're going to cook our noodles. And then I'm going to put some salt over here in my water. Always do that after it comes to a boil. It'll take longer and you can ruin your stainless steel pans. And you just mix this with water. See if it says how much here. Need a magnifying glass to read this. I think it's 2 or 3 tablespoons to like a couple tablespoons of water. I mean, I can't see that. Can you see that? So just mix that with some water. And then you can add it, and that will turn your beef and gravy into stroganoff. And like I said, I did this with onion and mushrooms, so they're already in there. But you could make this with your shelf-stable meat, some bouillon, canned mushrooms, dried onion. Just make your bouillon, add your mushrooms, your onion, thicken it up. Once that's thick, add your canned beef, and then once that's hot and ready, mix your sour cream, add that, and you have the same thing with your shelf-stable items, or you could use your dried, freeze-dried, dehydrated mushrooms as well, so whatever you have. So I'm going to look for some more noodles, get my noodles going, mix up some sour cream, and then we will come back. Alrighty, our noodles are done. We're gonna add our sour cream. Now, if you were doing this with your canned beef and your dried mushrooms and stuff like that, you'd want to do your gravy first. So you do your broth, your dried onion, and your mushrooms. Let those get hydrated. Then thicken it up. If you need more beef broth, add that after everything's rehydrated. Then do your gravy, add your meat. When that's heated through, add your sour cream, and you'll have the same thing that we're doing here, because I know everybody doesn't can. And the sour cream is to your taste. Let that get dissolved in there. I think I'm going to thicken this up a little bit more. I'm going to make a slurry with some flour and water. Add a little bit of flour and water together. Stir it up. Just like you would cornstarch and water. Just want to make sure you don't have any lumps. Some people actually like the lumps in their gravy. And then while you're stirring it, just add it in there. Oh, and I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce. Or you can add some Maggi or Maggi. It tastes like a soy sauce though. It doesn't taste like Worcestershire sauce. Or Who's Your Sister? I'm going to taste it for salt. I'm going to add some pepper. If it needs salt, I will use the Knorr bouillon powder as my salt. Rinse this spoon. Let's see. Does not need salt. And see how fast that thickened up? Dogs are all hopped up again. And there it is, you guys. It's ready. Things hot and ready. Turn that off. I made a salad. I'm going to put some of these light and creamy Caesar flavored peas, snap peas. A little something different from croutons. This will be my husband's plate. Gravy all up in there. And there it is. That's dinner. Easy peasy stroganoff. So I will hand him this plate, make my plate, and then we will taste it. Okay. Here's my plate. I like mine with a little more sour cream on it. So let's stir that in. I don't want to take too big a bite. Very hot. Can you hear the dogs? They think it's their dinner time too. They eat dinner at 4 o'clock. So hot. It's very good, you guys. So you can make a very tasty meal. This is another one right out of the pantry with all your canned and dry goods. So just thought I'd share. I hope you all are doing well. I hope the weather's not crazy where you're at. It's passed through here already, so now we're just going to freeze, I guess. So yeah, you all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video. Merry Christmas!